Yo. Okay, good morning, all colleagues. At the meeting this morning, introduce us from Nusantara Property Planning Management, who will present about how to business marketing and promotion planning. Before we do our presentation, I will introduce our member. Firstly, I'm Yahya as the moderator and Rizky as the first presenter. Then Asti as the second presenter, and the last presenter is Abi. Next, I will start this presentation. Nusantara Property is a property company that has been established since 2018 and is growing until now.
Nusantara Property. The property business is a business career out be developing asset be buying and selling property. That's this activity to push property asset with the aim of reselling them at a later date.
Property business goal. The main objective of the property business is to increase profit and development asset from years to years. These goals can only be achieved if you, as a business owner, run it with a serious company.
Property business type. There are several types of property business based on the products. Number 1, residential real estate. Residential real estate is the first property production from various property business. This type of business is more devoted to meeting everyone's needs for a living area, such as housing, rentals, boarding house, apartments, and the like. Thus, the need for residential areas for residential can be met. Number 2, industrial property. Industries need property to run their business. The properties for manufacturing, such as warehouse for distribution and storage of products. So, industrial property needs other parties to work similarly because it is related to the rental company that runs the protection process. Between the tenant and the owner, there is responsibility for the managed property. Number 3, commercial real estate. Commercial real estate or retail properties and the world of advisor are offered to work in the corporate world or startup business. Renting a room or area to companies or individuals is included in the commercial real estate business. The areas that are usually rented out come from restaurants, shops, and shopping centers or malls. The target tenants from this business are single or more buyers to people who use the property themselves. Number 4, special purpose properties. Special purpose properties have more target consumers, facilities, and infrastructure for common needs are the necessities provided by this type of business. For example, motels, theaters, hotel, resorts, hospital, worship areas, and school.
Advantage of property business. And 1, land value continue to increase. 2, debt value. And 3, constantly increasing annual income. And 4, protected from the flow of inflation. And 5, long-term investment.
Property business strategy. 1, property broker. A property broker is a person who acts as an intermediary to connect seller and buyer of property. You can try to become a property broker who can see profitable opportunities. The job of the broker is to bridge between investor to customer, or vendor and broker do not need to own property in the buying and selling system to become a professional and trusted broker. You can to take a lot of training and analysis of product, information and market object. This will make you more clear and able to see the flow to get various benefit from the transaction system apart from acting as an intermediary. The broker duties includes offering promotion and preparing property document to flip properties. In Indonesia, the profession is actually not very popular, but you can try it. The way it works is that you buy a house over credit at a low price, then renovate it and sell it at high price. In fact, the flip does not actually cause long-term cash flow, but the profit can be above 30% and 50% from the previous price. Flip property contains people who have specialization such as architect, property, market analysis, interior design, and so on. 3. Property investment. Property investment can bring you benefit for anyone with small or large capital. By becoming an actual investor, you have a stable profit in the long run. There are two steps of property business track. Along with property investment system for those who own and do not own property. The advantage, if you have your own property, you can manage and earn big profit with the rental system cash flow.
How to start a property business? Number 1, do research first. Every time you run a business, including property, you must first research the market. Take a look at which market and are giving you the most profit. So you will not make the wrong case. Avoid rushing to buy property before understanding the increases for infrastructure, market needs, and external aspects. Some external aspects that might have an impact on property value are industrial environments, flood-prone areas, location needs near highways to miss. You have to be careful in making a decision. You should not move quickly, but if you are sure, then just buy the property. Even if you live abroad, you can still invest. Number 3, have honestly. In any business, honest strengths are the main foundation because honestly will give you to lure them eyes of customers so that your business can run smoothly in the future. Number 4, build the richest network of relationship. We having a wide and many network of relationship, your name will be increasing. No, that's why it will be reserved for your to get information about property and also have the opportunity to have collaboration opportunities.
Okay, thank you, Adele. That's all explanation from our member. Then I will open a question and answer session for the audience. Who want to ask question, please raise your hand and state your name.
I want to ask, sir. My name is Rangga. Be placing advertisement for a long period of time, of course. It will drain the company cash, and how long will this be able to attract customer?
Okay, thank you, Rangga, for the question we accommodate first. Then I invite those who want to ask.
My name is Kamal. How do we get ahead of our competitors?
Okay, thanks for question. Please, my colleague Rizky to the answer the first question.
Advertising does not need to be for a long period of time. Promotion can be done only at times such as during the new year, making offer such as discount buy two get one or other. You also have to do a detailed promotion schedule in order to do promotion at the right time.
Okay, that's the answer from Rizky. How can Rangga answer the answer?
Yes, thank you.
Next, Asti will answer the last question, please.
There are several ways to make us superior to the competitor, namely by providing good service, innovative, expanding market reach, recognizing customer, and strengthening the brand.
How did Kamal get the answer?
Okay, acceptable answer. Thank you.
Okay, well, our question has been answered. Before I close this presentation, I want to give a conclusion. So, in conclusion, there are various promotional strategy. So, we just need to choose the most appropriate strategy needs by the company in order the products are satisfactory ending. That's all from our presentation. Thank you for attention. Sorry if there are mistakes and shortcomings.